Over 80% of automatic car owners are slowly destroying their transmissions without even realizing it. And no, it's not from racing, redlining, or skipping oil changes. It's from everyday mistakes you probably make on your daily drive. The scary part? These habits can lead to slipping gears, overheating, or complete transmission failure. And when that happens, you're staring at a repair bill of $3,000 to $7,000. In this video, I'm exposing 12 common mistakes that could be silently killing your automatic transmission, and more importantly, how you can avoid them before it's too late. If you own an automatic, this might just be the most expensive video you ever skip. Mistake 1. Draining cold oil. Draining your oil while the engine is cold is one of the sneakiest mistakes people make. When the oil sits cold, it becomes thick, and heavy contaminants like sludge, carbon deposits, and even metal shavings settle at the bottom of the pan. If you drain it then, up to 40% of that dirty oil stays behind, waiting to damage your engine. Warm oil, on the other hand, is thinner, flows faster, and suspends debris so everything gets flushed out properly. That's why mechanics recommend idling or taking a short drive for 5 to 10 minutes before draining. But here's the key. Never drain right after a long drive, because hot oil can burn you. The sweet spot is draining warm oil, not cold, not scalding hot. Do this, and your engine will thank you with longer life and smoother performance. Mistake 2. Double gasketing. This one catches even seasoned DIY mechanics. Double gasketing the oil filter. When you remove the old filter, the rubber O-ring sometimes sticks to the engine block. If you don't notice and install the new filter on top, you've now got 2 gaskets stacked together. At first, everything looks fine, but once the engine fires up, that seal fails almost instantly. Oil sprays out, your pressure drops, and within seconds your engine can run dry. That means metal grinding on metal, heat building, and complete engine failure if you don't catch it. All over a tiny ring most people never think to check. The fix? Simple. After removing every filter, look carefully. Make sure the old gasket came off. A 2-second check can save you from a multi-$1,000 repair. Mistake 3. Reusing the drain plug washer. Here's a mistake that looks harmless but destroys engines. Reusing the drain plug washer. Every time you tighten the plug, that washer flattens, and after just one oil change, it's already deformed. Reuse it, and it won't seal properly. That's how tiny leaks start. A drip here, a drip there, and before you know it, your oil levels drop dangerously low. Some DIYers flip it over thinking it'll last longer, but that doesn't work either. Without a proper seal, vibrations and heat eventually break it down completely. It's designed to be replaced every single time, whether it's copper, aluminum, or nylon. Skipping a $2 washer can lead to $7,000 in engine repairs. So, don't be cheap. Always replace the washer with every oil change. Mistake 4. Forgetting to check oil level after a change. You've finished the oil change, filled it up, and think you're good to go. But if you don't recheck the dipstick after running the engine, you could be running on low oil. That's because when you first pour in fresh oil, it hasn't yet filled the filter, passages, and components. Start the engine, let it idle, or give a gentle rev, then shut it off and wait about 10 minutes. When you recheck, you'll often find the level has dropped. If you don't top it up, you're basically driving with less oil than you need. Mistake 5. Overfilling oil. Too much oil is just as bad as not enough. When you overfill, the crankshaft spins through the oil like a blender, whipping it into foam. Foamy oil doesn't lubricate. It leaves air gaps, metal grinds, and heat builds fast. On top of that, excess pressure stresses your seals and gaskets, leading to leaks that can cost you over $1,500 to repair. The worst part? Many people think a little extra oil gives extra protection, but that's one of the oldest engine myths. Mistake 6. Wrong oil viscosity. Using the wrong oil grade might not sound like a big deal, but it's one of the fastest ways to wear down an engine. Thicker oil than recommended takes longer to circulate, leaving your engine unprotected during cold starts. Thinner oil breaks down faster at high heat, leaving critical parts like bearings and camshafts vulnerable. Many drivers think thicker means better protection, but your manufacturer chose that specific viscosity for a reason. Stray from it, and you're gambling with your engine's life. Mistake 7. Skipping the oil filter change. Changing your oil without replacing the filter is like showering, but putting dirty clothes back on. That old filter is clogged with sludge, dirt, and microscopic metal shavings from the last oil cycle. If you skip replacing it, those contaminants circulate straight into your fresh oil, instantly cutting its life in half. Some people try to save a few bucks by reusing filters, but it's a false economy. A clogged filter also forces the bypass valve open, meaning unfiltered oil flows directly through the engine. Mistake 8. Over-tightening the drain plug. Grabbing a wrench and cranking down on the oil drain plug like it's holding back a flood is a classic rookie mistake. Over-tightening doesn't make your seal stronger. It strips the threads in the oil pan. Once that happens, you're looking at either a costly repair or a full pan replacement. Even worse, some people crack the plug itself, creating leaks that slowly bleed oil without them realizing. The proper way is to hand tighten first, then torque it to the spec listed in your manual, usually between 25 and 35 foot-pounds. That's enough to seal it perfectly without stressing the threads. Remember, tight doesn't mean safe. Correct does. Mistake 9. Under-tightening the oil filter. On the flip side, leaving your oil filter too loose is a ticking time bomb. Many people install filters by hand and forget to snug them up properly. The result? Vibration and pressure eventually loosen the filter while you drive, leading to sudden leaks, or, in extreme cases, the filter backing off completely. Lose oil pressure at highway speed, and your engine can seize within minutes. Mistake 10. Ignoring oil change intervals. Oil doesn't last forever. Over time, heat breaks it down, contaminants build up, and additives wear out. Some drivers push their oil for 15,000 miles or more, thinking modern engines can handle it. The truth is, you're slowly starving your engine of lubrication. Old oil becomes acidic, eats away at seals, and leaves behind thick sludge that clogs vital oil passages. Even high-end synthetic oils have a limit. Following the recommended interval, usually between 5,000 and 7,500 miles, isn't just about clean oil. It's about preserving every moving part inside your engine. Push it too far, and you're rolling the dice with catastrophic wear. Mistake 11. Using additives as a substitute for oil changes. Additives can improve oil performance in certain cases, but too many people use them as a band-aid instead of proper maintenance. Pouring in a magic oil additive doesn't replace draining old, dirty oil. In fact, some additives actually upset the chemical balance of modern oils, making them less effective. Companies promise smoother engines and more horsepower, but in reality, fresh, clean oil does far more than any bottle of snake oil ever could. If your engine is noisy, burning oil, or knocking, no additive in the world will fix the root cause. Regular oil changes are non-negotiable. Anything else is just delaying disaster. Mistake 12. Not warming the engine before hard driving after an oil change. After an oil change, your engine has fresh lubrication, but it hasn't had time to fully circulate under real load. Hammering the throttle immediately can put extreme stress on components before the oil has a chance to reach every corner. Cold oil is thicker and doesn't flow quickly, leaving parts like piston rings and turbo bearings vulnerable. Always let the car idle for a few minutes and take it easy on the first few miles after a change. That simple patience gives the oil time to reach its operating temperature and protect your engine properly. Skip this, and you're asking for premature wear before your fresh oil even gets to do its job. And there you have it, 12 habits that silently destroy your automatic transmission. If you've been guilty of even one of these, the good news is that it's never too late to change. A little awareness today can save you from thousands of dollars in repairs tomorrow. Right after an oil change, your engine has fresh oil, but that doesn't mean it's ready for hard driving. Cold oil is thick and slow-moving, which means it can't reach every part of the engine right away. If you press the accelerator too soon, vital components like pistons, bearings, and turbochargers run with limited lubrication. That brief moment of metal-to-metal friction might seem harmless, but over time, it adds up to serious wear and shorter engine life. Fresh oil also takes a bit of time to fill the new filter and internal passages completely. That's why experts recommend letting your engine idle for 2 to 3 minutes after every oil change, then driving gently for the first few miles. This allows the oil to warm up, thin out properly, and form a protective layer over moving parts. Now, if you want to keep learning how to make your car last longer, check out my video on the screen right now. It's packed with tips that most mechanics will never share. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like if it helped you, and share it with a friend who drives an automatic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.